Hey guys, Joelster here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So this time I've been working on another outdoor home theater setup, but this time it's next to the swimming pool. Now the idea is for us to enjoy a movie or music videos while enjoying the pool, but the challenge is to have a setup that is easy to assemble but also easy to put away when we are done using it. So for the screen, I went with the Yachtmaster Electric Tension by Elite Screens. Now there are several features why I choose this screen, but for starters is that it's electric. So with just a press of a button, the screen rolls down and we get to enjoy movies right away, and when we're done, it goes back into the casing, saving us the space of having a big fixed frame screen. Now another feature is the material. Now this is the WraithVeil Dual front and rear projection material, which means that you can position your projector in the front of it or behind it and just mirror the image, and you can enjoy the picture on either side. In this case, I'm using an ultra short throw laser projector temporarily, but the idea is to install a short throw projector on the ceiling behind the screen, so this is ideal for that. Another feature is that the screen has an IP33 rating, so this is ideal for outdoors. It is resistant to water, spray, or small objects, so this comes very handy having the screen next to the swimming pool. Now the installation process is super simple. Elite Screens provides with all the necessary tools and instructions. I recommend to have a power drill for a faster setup, and you also need to have power nearby to connect the screen. Now the remote has radio frequency and it does have long range, so I was able to use it anywhere around the pool area. Now this is a 100-inch screen size, but if you need something bigger, they also have a 120, 135, and up to 150-inch sizes available with a 16:9 aspect ratio. So far this has worked very good. My only issue is with wind. The screen rocks back and forth with a little bit of wind. Although Elite Screens does provide cradles for the screen to sit, I still need to install some sort of brackets on each pillar to hold the screen or figure something out to keep it stable. This is a work in progress, so I will follow up with another video once I finish the project. So if you're looking for a screen for your backyard or maybe inside your home or office, I highly recommend Elite Screens. They provide with lots of information and they have several models to choose from. I'm pretty sure they have something that fits your home and your budget. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm Joelster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joelster out. Damn. Check it out, dude. Oh, shit, there it is.